Hello everybody, welcome back to another Let's Plan video. Today I'm going to show you how to install apps from the App Store without asking for the Apple ID password every time on your iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, as you can see, as I want to install the app here, TikTok, it's asking for the Apple ID password again and again. So how to fix this issue? Just go back to your home screen. Just open up settings app on your device here and then tap here on your Apple ID profile, and from here tap on media and purchases and now tap on password settings, and from here turn the tool off for the required password and then tap here on done, and then again go back to your home screen and open up settings app on your device here and then scroll it down and tap here on screen time, and then again scroll it down and tap here on content and privacy restrictions, and then tap here on iTunes and App Store purchases, and here is the required password. Always required and don't require, so tap on don't require and go back and turn the toggle off for the content and privacy restrictions, and then go back and open up App Store here and then try to install the app. Here it is, TikTok. Tap on install. So as you can see, app is installing right now without asking for the Apple ID password. So that's it for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.